Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out these lashes from Flirtacious Looks Cosmetics, and this is the Monarch Lash Pack that I got in my April 2021 Boxycharm base box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below, and this is actually the last product that I have to try out from that box this month, and I still haven't gotten my premium box in the mail, so I can't wait to finally get that. But if you're interested in seeing the reviews on any of the other products that I got in Boxycharm base box this month, they are up on my channel. But I'm really excited to try these out because these have a retail value of $38, which means these are the most expensive lashes I'm ever going to try, which is really exciting for me because I would never spend $38 on 2 pairs of lashes personally, just because I love LA Colors, Shop Miss A, Ardell lashes, which are very inexpensive. These lashes do look so pretty. These 2 styles are my go-to lash styles. The only thing I'm very interested to see how it's going to look is the thick black lash band, because usually I like an invisible lash band. Typically when there is a thick black band like this, I'll just do a liquid liner along my top lashes to try and hide that band. But today I figured I would do this without eyeliner so that we can just really see how these look on their own. But here you can see what the lashes look like in that band that I'm talking about. So these lashes are 100% silk and cruelty free. So the silk is probably why they're very expensive. And I think this might be the first time I've ever gotten lashes in an Ipsy or a Boxycharm box, and I was so excited to get them, but then I realized I need lash glue. And I do have lash glue, so I actually just grabbed my Kiss Lash Adhesive, the Biotin and Blueberry latex-free Lash Couture version. But for someone that maybe got their first pair of lashes in Boxycharm this month, they probably don't have lash glue. So I feel like they should have done a set that included lash glue. But it did include an applicator. I personally never use applicators to apply lashes, but I'll try this out today just for fun. And I also figured I want to try out both pairs. So I think I'm going to put one style on one eye and the other style on the other eye. And I know that's going to look kind of funny, but I'm just really excited to see how they both look. So first, I'm going to line it up with my eyes. I know that this one is the right eye. And I'm going to gently peel off the cat eye version. And before putting on any lash glue, ooh, these are really light and soft. They seem really nice. But I'm just going to apply it to the lash line to see how much I'm going to need to trim. Whoa. These are incredibly long lashes. A lot of times I don't even have to trim anything on lashes because my eyes are kind of big, but I think I have to seriously cut off like 2 whole lash clumps. And I'm trying to decide if I should take it off from the inside or the outside. Typically they say to trim from the outside, but I really like the length of those outer lashes. I guess I am just going to trim the outer 2 lashes. Wow, I feel like this is the longest lash I have ever seen. All right, that should be a perfect fit, having trimmed off 2 clumps of the lashes. Wow. But okay, so now I am going to apply the lash glue. I'm going to hold the lash with the applicator, and then you don't have to rush to apply it to your eye because you actually want to wait for the lash glue to get tacky. and dry a bit. And now I'm going to try using the applicator to place the lash. I like the applicator, but I just need to use my fingers to get really precise. Considering how thick the lash band is, it's actually pretty flexible and comfortable and easy to apply, where it's not lifting on one end as I press down the other end. That is really pretty. It's definitely not the most comfortable lash, and it really could be because of the thick lash band, where I can just feel more, I can just feel it more on my eye, whereas with an invisible lash band, I feel like it's a little bit lighter, more comfortable, a little bit more flexible as you're blinking. But that looks so pretty. Just look at the difference in what that did for the eye. But let me even do a zoomed in view so you can see what I'm talking about with the lash band. It's just so obvious and noticeable on my eyelid, especially too when I blink. So that's why I like to use an eyeliner to hide that. But it's a really pretty lash. I love the shape of it. And as I'm wearing it, even just after a few seconds, it seems like, it's already becoming more comfortable. So now I'm picking up the other style and checking how much I need to trim off. This one is also super long, so I'm probably just going to, once again, trim off. It's pretty much like 1 millimeter is what I'm trimming off. It's a lot. All right, applying the lash glue. I'm not even going to bother with the applicator. Let me know in the comments down below if you use an applicator or tweezers or something to apply your lashes, and if you have any tips, because I just feel like I've tried out so many different applicators, tweezers, and nothing is as easy for me to apply than just using my fingers. I mean, I do have short nails, so that helps. I guess if you had those really long nails, you'd need to use an applicator probably. I'm noticing that this one feels a little pokey, like it's poking my eye a little bit with the corners from the thick lash band. I'm so excited to compare the difference in the two styles and what they do for my eyes. That is such a crazy difference. This one, I just feel like doesn't work as well for my eye shape because it looks so heavy. With my kind of hooded eyes, it just kind of makes the eye look smaller, whereas I feel like the cat eye version lifts my eye and is much more enhancing. But what do you think? Which lash style do you prefer? I will say too, now that I've had this on for a little while, it feels completely comfortable. Like I don't even feel like it's on anymore. This one, it doesn't feel any heavier. It pretty much feels exactly the same, but it looks completely different. And I know I look so funny with two different lashes on. But I'll do another zoomed in view. Once again, I would definitely use eyeliner with this lash, even though there's a lot going on. I feel like it kind of hides the band more with the lashes going up. I still personally just tight line underneath or do a line that continues to the corners just to completely hide it, but you definitely don't see it as much on the lid because of the way the lashes curl up. I feel like this just really solidified for me that whenever I'm buying lashes, I need to get the angled cat eye shape just to suit my eyes better. But so, aside from the shape of the lashes, reviewing the actual lashes themselves, they're nice, but I don't think they're honestly any different than the drugstore, dollar store lashes that I love. I feel like they look the same, if not a little bit less natural. I mean, they're really pretty. I love how wispy they are. I love how dark black they are. And now that I have these, I'll definitely keep using them, but I just don't see the point in spending so much money on these lashes. Like, they're not game-changing lashes in my opinion. But I am very curious to hear your thoughts on these lashes. So let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.